Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, we will talk about the history of blockchain. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share. Please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. History of blockchain. Blockchain has the potential to grow to be a bedrock of the worldwide record-keeping systems, but was launched just 10 years ago. It was created by the unknown persons behind the online cash currency Bitcoin under the pseudonym of Satoshi Nakamoto. A brief history of blockchain. 1991, a cryptographically secured chain of blocks is described for the first time by Stuart Haber and W. Scott Stornita. 1998, computer scientist Nick Szabo works on Bitgold, a decentralized digital currency. Year 2000, Stefan Kost published his theory of cryptographic secure chains plus ideas for implementation. 2008, developers working under the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto released a white paper establishing the model for a blockchain. 2009, Nakamoto implements the first blockchain as the public ledger for transactions made using Bitcoin. 2014, blockchain technology is separated from the currency. It is potentially for other financial inter-organizational transaction is explored. Blockchain 2.0 is born, referring to application beyond currency. The Ethereum blockchain system introduces computer programs into the blocks representing financial instruments such as bonds. These become known as smart contracts. Okay guys, so we have here the brief history of blockchain. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this video. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you're new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jack saying bye bye for now.